As you see, I was able to make over $5,000 on this particular website by really doing a few things. You have watched many YouTube videos about the laziest way to make money online, but this one is special for you because I'm gonna show you the laziest way to make money online, and the thing which is special is that I've tested all of these methods and it's gonna work for you. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The first lazy way to make money online is to just watch YouTube videos like the one you are watching right now. You see, if you go to Cashstar.com, you can get paid to watch videos, search on Google, play games, write posts, promote offers, and so much more. Now, because this is literally one of the only apps that actually allows you to earn decent amount of money without actually doing the work yourself, they are not accepting everyone, so you will have to enter your name and email address and click on join priority wait list, and you should receive an email in 1 up to 2 months. I know it takes a lot of time, but once you get accepted, you can potentially make thousands of dollars in a very fun way. The second way that you can use to make money online in a very lazy way is YouTube automation. Yes, you can make money on YouTube without actually showing your face. What you have to do is to choose the niche which you are interested in and start generating ideas for the videos. But on this, like me, I make videos which is about finance, and the finance niche has high paying CPM, which is cost per mille of $19, which is the amount the advertisers are willing to pay to place ads on your video. More on this in the next video. The third way to make money is to go to ytjobs.co, and this is a place where you can find jobs that are all YouTube related, so you can become a YouTube video editor, YouTube script writer, YouTube strategist, YouTube voiceover artist, and so on and so forth. Is pretty much like Fiverr, Upwork, but specifically for YouTube creators, and some of these jobs can pay you thousands of dollars. If you apply on these jobs, you have to do researches on different topics which can help you with these jobs. Like if someone needs more research for their YouTube channel, or someone is a script writer, you can actually do it professionally, and you can do it very well with ChatGPT. The fourth lazy way is a surprise for you, and I'm not really just gonna share one app that you can use to make money online from your phone without doing the work, because one app will not pay you a lot. But if you combine it with 10 different apps, you can actually make a lot more money without doing any work. So the first app that you can use is called SMS Cashback, and this is already smscashback.com, and this tool and this app will allow you to just receive SMS and make money from that. You don't even have to read the SMS, you don't have to open it, you can just use your phone, just connect it to this app, and you can make more money for receiving SMS. Once again, you don't really need to do any work, but again, it doesn't pay you a lot. As you can see, it's literally just $60 a month. Also, if you have multiple SIM cards. If you only have one, it's literally $20 a month, so it's not a lot. That's why I want to share with you multiple apps. The second one is Lipocket, and this one will allow you to make money in different ways. One of them is just sharing your internet data, which requires just one press a button, and then you don't need to do extra work, but you can also get paid to complete different service tasks and offers, and also refer other users, and it's also completely free. Now, as of right now, it's only available for Android. So let's go to the app number 3, which is available for both iOS and Android, and that's Pawns app. And this app is another app that will allow you to make money by sharing your internet, which is pretty much doing nothing. You just install it on your phone. You press one button, it shares internet. It does take away your data, so think about that as well, but it will allow you to earn some passive income. As you can see, if you have one unique IP address, that is 9.60 cents per month. Again, isn't a lot, but it may pay for some subscription that you have. So let's go to the next app, which is Plxy. This is another peer app which allows you to share your data and easily earn passive income. Then, as you can see, you can do this both from your computer, laptop, or your phone. You can disable it anytime you don't want to share your data and your internet and you can earn passive income without doing any extra work. Next app is called Hame or readyhangame.com, and this app will also allow you to make money effortlessly. As you can see, they are also offering me a $5 a gift as well. If you scroll a little bit down, you can see that you can earn passive income from this app, and you can make money in different ways. If you share more data, you obviously make more money, and you can make up to a few $100s per month. Here is another app called Simplify.network, and this is another app that allows you to share internet and make money without actually doing any extra work, and you can share your Wi-Fi and make money for that. As you can see, you can sometimes make up to $250 per month just by sharing your data and without doing any extra work. The next app is called MC Money. Also, it pays you to just receive SMS and text. You don't actually have to open it or read it or anything like that. So again, these apps don't pay you a lot of money, but if you stack 10 different apps, you can potentially earn some decent amount of passive income every single month without actually lifting a finger. If you take action and start using one of the methods I mentioned in this video, you will start earning some few dollars. So let me know in comments if you have made some money. Also, you can like this video and subscribe for the channel so that we continue receiving the great videos like this. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.